Hi, good day. I hope you're doing well. I'm shooting this video to showcase some work that I did today. I created a single page website that I tried to optimize as much as possible for mobile. It's essentially a price list for my in-laws butchery in the Northern Cape. And the idea behind it was just kind of to have some online presence and also a way to distribute it to their customers who usually come on a daily basis and buy the various items as shown on this list. So without further ado, I just want to show you some of the things that I built in. So essentially I built the CSS and HTML from the ground up, and I did some research and I looked for fonts that were known to be well received when listed near food items, and so I grabbed some custom fonts, had them in this specific page. I've contracted the promotional field just so that it takes up less space. If you don't recognize all of the words on the page, that's because it's done in Afrikaans. Being based in the Northern Cape, the majority of the clients speak Afrikaans, and so that was just part of the brief. So this little block right here is for the promotions. Right now they're running 2 promotions, so if you click on this, it just expands, and as you can see, there are the 2 promotions. The one is if you buy 400 Rand or more, you get a free stove meat, and as well as that they are selling scarp stackies for a limited time. And one of the things that I strive to do was to answer the question, how can we update this easily, or how can I build in a mechanism that will allow somebody to update the items, the prices, the names, add and remove items as needed without actually having to touch the code. So I built in a little mechanism that's basically a Python script that generates the HTML, and it grabs from a CSV. It'll grab this list and it constructs the table dynamically. So what I've done is I'll open up the Excel. So as you can see, it's a normal Excel file, and what you can basically do from here is, let's say some of the stock runs out. So for instance, here we've got sausage, and you want to remove sausage. It's as easy as removing the sausage and saving, and then all you have to do is the little Python script that I wrote here. You just execute that recompiles the page, and if we go back to the page, you'll see that the sausage is still there, but if I refresh and it grabs the HTML as it was updated, sausage is gone. So it's as easy as that to update. And let's say, for instance, they added a new item to the bakery, zoo cookies, because we all love zoo cookies. And so I've added that in. All I do is I save it again. I run my Python script. I go to the web page. No zoo cookies at the bottom. I refresh, and there it is. And so we're hosting this on GitHub. I make use of GitHub Pages, and I'm wrapping the URL via the tiny URL service to shorten it. And then, as part of a marketing strategy, we've created a WhatsApp group where only the admins can send a message, so it's read only, and we ask clients whether they want to voluntarily become part of that, just so that they have access to any new promotions or news regarding the butchery. And this little website's URL will be in the description of the WhatsApp group, so customers will be able to see real-time, live, what are the prices and what's available before they visit the butchery, which is awesome. And that's it for the demo. Thanks so much for watching, and yeah, have a good weekend.